So before we're done with localization, I'd like to talk about robot motion. Suppose we have a distribution over those cells, such as this one, a ninth, a third, a ninth, a ninth. And even though we don't know where the robot is, the robot moves, and it moves to the right. In effect, the way we're going to program is that we assume the world is cyclic. So if it drops off the rightmost cell, it finds itself in the leftmost cell. Suppose we know for a fact the robot moved exactly one grid cell to the right, including the cyclic motion. Can you tell me, for all these 5 values, what the posterior probability is after that motion?